So anybody that knows me knows that I love a good party, and I am the party queen. But I also have some really smart friends who are helping me make my party all the more better. So the CNC open house this week, we're gonna serve you with our Refreshbot. So we're gonna start by serving a little bit of ice cream for our build your own ice cream sundae bar. We're gonna press number 8. And we're gonna let Mr. Refreshbot do his thing. It's gonna be really warm this week, so a nice little soft serve will hit the spot. But I would also like a refreshing beverage to go with my soft serve ice cream. My drink of choice is Arnold Palmer, so I'm going to press number 7 for Arnold Palmer. A little bit of iced tea, a little bit of lemonade, and just like that, my CNC tumbler has a delicious Arnold Palmer in it. But wait, the Refreshbot isn't serving me because it's patiently waiting for me to remove my ice cream. All right, folks, so that's how you have it. A party at CNC. Come visit us this week at our open house.